Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about area and perimeter of 2D shape. So let's start. What is area? Area is the amount which is inside a 2D shape. For example, all of these. To find the area, we just have to multiply the length and the width. For example, in a square, if the length of a square is 5 units, then to find the area, we just have to multiply the length. 5 times 5, which is going to be 25. If you also calculate all the boxes which is inside, you will find there are 25 boxes there. So that is area. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around a 2D shape. To find the perimeter, you just have to add all the sides. For example, this is the perimeter. So if the length of a square is 5 units, to find the perimeter, we just have to add all the sides. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is going to be 20 units. Now, let's learn how to find the formula for finding area and perimeter of different 2D shape. Let's start with square. Square has all 4 sides which is equal and all of the angles are 90 degree, which is right angle triangle. So the formula for area of a square is length times length. Formula to find the perimeter, we just have to add all the sides. So rectangle has opposite sides equal and it has 4 right angles. The formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times width. We are not going to say length times length because the length and width has different size over here, unlike square. To find the perimeter, we just simply have to add all the sides. Over here we have 2 length and 2 width. So it will be 2 length plus 2 width. You have to add them. If you take 2 as a factor, then it will be 2 times length plus width. Now what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a tilted version of square which has all the 4 sides equal and the opposite angles are equal. You can say this one and this one is equal, this one and this one would be equal over here. To find the area of a rhombus, we have to multiply base times height, which is same as the formula for a rectangle, which is length times width. To find the perimeter, we just have to add all the sides as usual. Now what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram, I can simply say it is just a tilted version of a rectangle. The formula for finding the area of a parallelogram, we just have to multiply base times height, which is the same as rhombus. Now, triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles, and we have 3 types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Equilateral triangles has all the sides and all the angles equal. Isosceles has 2 sides and 2 angles to be same. Scalene has none of the side and none of the angles to be same or equal. We have 2 formulas to find the area of a triangle. One is half times base times height. Base times height is the formula for finding a rectangle, or you can say parallelogram. Can you guess why are we multiplying half at the front? Because triangle is half of a parallelogram or a rectangle. Now we have another formula over here, and that is half times AB sine C. You will find this sign in your calculator. C is one of the angle, and A and B are the 2 sides that makes up that angle. Over here you can see A and B are the 2 sides and the angle between them is C. So to find the perimeter, we just have to simply add all the sides. Over here it's going to be A plus S plus B. What is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. To find the area of a trapezium, you just have to simply find the length of the parallel sides, add them, times it with half, and then times it with height as well. To make the formula a bit easier, we can simply say you have to find the average of the length of the parallel sides and then times it with height. To find the area for a kite, we just have to simply multiply the product of diagonals, which are A and B, and then times it with half. Let's understand this formula a bit more. A times B, A and B are the same as length and height. So if you multiply length and height, are you not supposed to get the formula for area of a rectangle? So imagine here is a rectangle. So when you multiply A times B, you are going to find the area of all of the rectangle. And kite is just half of the rectangle. That's why the formula is half times product of diagonals. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, just share it with your friends. Thanks. Bye.